quickly shift our focus towards the preparation part ahead of that grand Pran Pratishtha ceremony on January 22nd as well. Ever since Prime Minister laid down the foundation stone of Ram Temple, the number of devotees arriving in Ayodhya has increased exponentially. City administration is now expecting 3 lakh devotees daily post 22nd of January. Arrangements in fact have been made keeping the influx in mind. CNN News 18's Nikhil Lakhwani with this ground report to show you the preparations ahead of that grand ceremony. Take this look.
Ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid down the foundation stone for Ram Temple in Ayodhya, the influx of the people arriving in the city have increased exponentially. Currently, we are reporting from outside the Heritage Temple. This is the famous and prominent Hanumangadi Temple where people are coming in huge number ever since the foundation stone has been laid down. Although Prime Minister has advised people and urged people not to come in the city on 22nd of January, but this is the response which the city is getting after the announcement of the Ram Temple. If we show you the visuals, my camera person Sumit Jaguru is giving you a 360-degree view from his camera. You can see only the devotees and the tourists arriving in the city in huge number. And the arrangements have been made. Likewise, there are a couple of residential properties as well which have been converted into the commercial ones if the hotels run out of their service. And also the connectivity plays a major role in this particular activity because not just the railway station but the air connectivity at the same time has also been provided for those who are interested to arrive in the city, that is Ayodhya. So this is the picture which we are showing you from outside the Hanumangadi Temple, and the economy is going to go on a boom in the city. Months back or years back, 2000 was the figure on a daily basis of people arriving in the city, but post the consecration ceremony, 3 lakh is the figure which is being expected by the administration for the people to arrive here as a tourist or as a part of the devotee to get the darshan of Lord Hanuman. Ayodhya is going through a transformational makeover just ahead of the consecration ceremony which is going to take place on 22nd of January by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In every nook and corner you can see the swanky construction which is currently underway in the full swing. Currently we are reporting from the Ram Janambhoomi Path. As per the details, this is 500 meters long, and as of now the work completion is almost approaching, and we are also going to speak to the director of this particular project as to what exactly has gone behind the making of the entire facade. Firstly, talk to us about what exactly is happening and what is the use of the material which has been put in the making of the construction part.
बेसिकली ये राम जन्मभूमि पथ है एंड इसकी जो एग्जैक्ट डिस्टेंस है रोड से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 500 मीटर है. हम रोड से लेकर यहाँ तक के दोनों तरफ वॉल फसाड क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं इसमें हमारे इंडियन कल्चर को हमने डिपिक्ट किया है. इंडियन कल्चर में जिसमें जो मेन जो बीच के अंदर में आप जो झरोका टाइप का देख रहे हैं, ये अपने आप के अंदर में एक टेम्पल लुक का वो करता है जिसमें इंडियन आर्ट को हमने वो किया है. बीच बगल के अंदर में जो हमारी जो जाली पैनल्स आ रहे हैं, जो स्टोन का यूज है. तो आइडिया इज की टू गिव द जो जितने भी श्रद्धालु, जितने भी जो फॉलोअर्स यहाँ पे आएंगे, उनको द मोमेंट दे एंटर द अयोध्या, वहीं से श्री राम जन उसकी फील आने लगे.
कितने लेबर्स हैं जो काम पे लगाए और जो कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए जो भी आप सामान लेके आए हैं, जो भी मटेरियल्स, ये कहाँ से आए?
देखिए एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ लेबर्स तो अभी मुझे अभी इमीडिएटली बता पाना मुश्किल है, लेकिन लगभग मतलब आप अभी जन्मभूमि पथ पे लगभग 400 से 500 लेबर तो अभी इमीडिएटली आपको दिख रहे हैं, और नाइट शिफ्ट में भी काम करते हैं वो.
Well, next one is quite an interesting story. A pan seller has got an order to make 151 special pans to be offered to Sri Ram during the consecration ceremony. Now, pan is offered as a part of bhog after a meal to Lord Ram. CNN News 18's Nikhil Lakhwani in fact spoke to this particular pan seller that we are talking about. Listen into that conversation as well.
Among other things, pan is also offered as a bhog to Prabhu Shri Ram in Ayodhya district. This is the Panwadi shop who has got the order for 150 pans which is going to be offered on the consecration ceremony which is going to be held on 22nd of January. As per the details, the winner which is being seen in the pictures, his family has been offering pan to Prabhu Shri Ram for about 40 years now. Let's have a quick chat with him as to what exactly goes behind the offering of the pan to Lord Shri Ram. विनय जी, सबसे पहले शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। क्यों भोग में पान चढ़ाया जाता है, सबसे पहले ये बताइए।
भगवान को भोजन के बाद पान का सेवन करते हैं। ये मतलब पहले से चला आ रहा है और शास्त्रों में मतलब इसका भी दिखाई देता है।
तो कितने दिन में कितनी बार पान चढ़ता है?
भगवान को भोजन के बाद मतलब सुबह की आरती में, उसके बाद मतलब पान का भोग लगता है सुबह के टाइम में।
अच्छा, तो आप लोग कितने साल से सेवा कर रहे हैं?
50 साल से ऊपर ही हो सकता है।
अच्छा
जी, हमारे पिताजी पहले देते थे, उसके बाद 92 के बाद जो कार सेवा हुई, उसके बाद हम लोग की दुकान यहाँ आके शिफ्ट हो गई है। वहाँ से हटने के बाद तब भी हमारा पान रेगुलर जाता रहा।
और 22 तारीख के लिए भी ऑर्डर आया था?
वो 151 पान का ऑर्डर है और भी ऑर्डर मतलब लंबे ऑर्डर है, लेकिन वो अभी हमारे पास नहीं आया है, क्योंकि बताया जाएगा 1-2 दिन पहले उसके लिए।
अच्छा,
ठीक है।
तो
और
151 का
हाँ।
चढ़ेगा पान का भोग,
जी।
आप ही की दुकान से जाएगा, इतने
जी,
सालों
जी।
से सेवा कर रहे हैं, क्या भाव आता है? क्योंकि पान आपका जो जाता है, क्या भाव
जी,
है?
इसमें गर्व तो है ही है और ये बहुत अच्छा फील होता है, इसको बयां नहीं किया जा सकता है। और हम चाहते हैं ऐसे आगे भी हम सेवा रामलला की करते रहे।
बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। सो ब्लेस्ड इज ही पर्सन विनय एंड द पीपल रिलेटेड टू हिम बिकॉज ही हैज गॉट द सर्विस टू ऑफर pan to Prabhu Shri Ram on the consecration ceremony which is going to be held in the month of January. So this is the particular pan which is being talked about so far. He has got the order for 150 pan, but there are other as well for the orders which he is awaiting, and he is going to get just a day or two before the consecration ceremony.